everyone, I hope you all are doing wonderful. Well, today finally, after more than I would say 2 weeks, it's above freezing. Snow is melting, the day isn't sunny, but I'll take it. It's still a gorgeous day. So today I have decided to go through my coats and footwear and just purge them out, keep what I used and what I really like. Our community is doing a coat donation thing, so I decided to take this opportunity and donate stuff, and I'll try to sell if I can a little bit of that, but if not, I'll just donate them. Also, I would try to do it by Marie Kondo method, where you have 3 piles, you keep one for yourself, one for donation, and one is maybe pile. So I'll try to do it that way. I do have coats over here and my footwear too. I'll show you just in a second, and then we'll bring them over here and we'll go through them quickly. So let's go and see. Alright, so this is how it looks like right now. Our coats are over here and some summer shoes are over there, and of course these are the ones that we are using right now because it's winter. So I know these are a lot and pretty messy. That's why I want to go through these and see and keep what we really like and use. I also have some coats in the bedroom, and so I will bring all of them outside and then we'll start purging. So these are all the winter coats that we have at home for Piyush and me, and I'm kind of embarrassed while looking at our shoes. I'm starting to think that it was a mistake because it's embarrassing to see these many shoes, but let's see. We hopefully will get these down to some sensible number of pairs. So let's start piling these up. Piyush is enjoying his tea over here and he'll help me too. So let's start this. So I'm gonna start with our coats, and I'm starting to just separate Piyush and mine until he finishes his tea, and then he'll help me out here. So these are mine, and over here Piyush's. Look at these all are mine, and this little corner is Piyush's. And I do have some impulse buys over here. I can see like those ones. I don't know why I bought those. Maybe I wore them like twice. I am working on my impulse buys and I am definitely getting better at it. So let's get started with what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. Also, it has started to snow, so let's get started. So this is how it looks like after the separation. I do have 3 piles, as I said. This is my keep pile, in which in this my waterproof jacket is there, my down jacket is there, which saves me every single winter in Chicago. And this is my maybe pile. I'll go through it once more before deciding, and that's my definitely donate pile. I don't think I'm gonna sell. I might post it on one website, maybe Facebook Marketplace, but I think I'm gonna donate these. Piyush didn't find anything to donate. I mean, necessarily he did find 2 jackets that's in his maybe pile, so he'll think about those 2 before doing anything, but these are his jackets, and that's a really good thing because he has the jackets that he really needs and uses, so that's a good thing. Let's go to our shoes. So this is the absolutely keep pile. This is I'm getting rid of or donating. Actually, wait a minute. Those yellow boots, I'm not gonna get rid of those one. Those will go in this one keep pile. And those two are in the maybe. I love the look of those, slippers, flip flops, sandals, whatever you call them. But I love the look of those, but I haven't gotten around to wearing them as much. So that's why they are in the maybe. So I'm gonna keep them for a while before taking any decision. Those I have only those pair in the name of heels. I have worn them in India a lot. I worn them a couple of times here, but I just don't think I'm wearing them as much anymore, and somebody else might be able to use them better. So yes, that's why I'm getting rid of those. And these used to be my work shoes, which I absolutely loved. They were very comfortable, but after a while their grip went down, so I have these ones now. So that's that. Piyush is not getting rid of anything again because yes, he doesn't have as many as me. He has his selected pairs. He has his work shoes, and then of course the workout ones and winter ones. He is getting rid of those, of course, flip-flops, because they are basically not in the situation to be worn. They will be thrown directly. So that's that. So this is how it looks like at the end. I know that it didn't make a huge difference, but I have organized them in a way that these two are my absolutely keep jackets, and these are from my maybe pile. So I left them at the end so that I know towards the end of the season that I used them or not. If I didn't use them, I'll definitely get rid of them afterwards. Here is what we are getting rid of. Piyush decided to get rid of this jacket. I am giving away those two. And he is of course throwing away his flip-flops, and these are my shoes that I'm getting rid of. I am very happy that I'm able to make some room, and I am not going to buy anymore because I have enough at this moment. So I'm very happy about this one. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found a little bit of the motivation to declutter. Spring is coming, and spring is the best time to get rid of the things that we don't enjoy. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below what you are looking forward to in spring, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. That's the only way you can help me grow this channel. I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.